अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द अल्कोहल्स का जो है फर्स्ट जो है दैट इज द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कोहल्स, देन वी हैव द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कोहल्स। केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कोहल्स में हमने पढ़ा वी हैव द फॉलोइंग थ्री डिफरेंट दैट इज classes or the types of chemical reactions shown by the alcohols. First one was that is the reactions which involve the cleavage of the OH bond. Second जो हमने डिस्कस की these properties acidic properties of alcohols which involve the where we have the cleavage of the OH bond. Number second we have the cleavage of the C-O bond जो हमें आज पढ़ना है. Number third we have the reactions of the whole reactions of whole molecule of the alcohol, reactions which involve the whole alcohol molecule. So our today's topic is that is the chemical properties of the alcohols. We have the alcohols, they show the following three types of chemical properties. जो नंबर फर्स्ट दैट इज द रिएक्शन विच इन्वॉल्व द क्लीवेज ऑफ द OH बॉन्ड, ये हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर. आज का जो टॉपिक है रिगार्डिंग द केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज दैट इज द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ द chemical reactions shown by the second category of reactions shown by the alcohols, that's the reactions which involve the cleavage of the OH bond. So we have our today's topic is reactions of alcohols which involve the cleavage of the CO bond. Topic, our today's topic is reactions of alcohols which involve the cleavage of C-O bond. अब इसमें जो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन shown by the alcohol, that's reaction with halogen acids. नंबर फर्स्ट है that is reaction with halogen acids. We have the halogen acids, that's we have the HF, HCl, hydrochloric acid, HBr, hydrobromic acid, and hydroiodic acid. These are called as the halogen acids, and these halogen acids they react with alcohols, where alcohols involve the cleavage of the CO bond and results the formation of the alkyl halides. For example, if we are going to add the hydrogen chloride to alcohols, alkyl chlorides are formed. Similarly, we have, if we are going to add the HBr, bromides, and the if we add hydrogen iodide, the alkyl iodides are formed. So we have the first, that is we have the reaction with HCl. When HCl, hydrochloric acid, is added to alcohols in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, ये हम यूज करते हैं as catalyst, then alkyl chlorides are formed, alkyl chlorides are formed. We have the alcohols. Alcohols are of following three types. We have the primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and the tertiary alcohols. If we take here primary or the secondary alcohols and we add hydrogen chloride to them in presence of ZnCl2, alkyl chlorides are formed, and this method is called as the Gru's method. So we have, suppose we have the methanol, that is CH3OH, and if we add HCl to it in presence of ZnCl2 anhydrous zinc chloride, यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि क्लीवेज होता है C और ऑक्सीजन के दरमियान जो बॉन्ड है, दैट क्लीवेज occurs and this OH, it will come out with this hydrogen and Cl will go here. We have CH3Cl plus water. This is the first reaction shown by the alcohols with hydrogen chloride. Similarly, we have, suppose we have C2H5OH, and if we add HBr to it, it results the formation of C2H5OBr plus water. Similarly, we have the HI. Similarly, we have the HI. It will also react with alcohols and results the formation of the alkyl iodides are formed. Suppose we have CH3-C, CH3 tertiary alcohol. We have the tertiary alcohol here, OH, and if it reacts with HI, it will give us CH3. अगर हम इसको रिफ्लेक्स करेंगे, रिफ्लेक्स, then CH3-C, CH3 and I plus water. And if the same reaction is carried out in presence of red phosphorus, at that time the alkanes are formed. Suppose if we take CH3OH with HI, लेकिन हम यहाँ पर यूज करते हैं red phosphorus as catalyst, then at that time methane is formed, CH4 plus water plus iodine. उस वक्त क्या बनता है कि हाइड्रोकार्बन्स आर फॉर्मड बट नॉट alkyl halides are or alkyl iodides are formed. So we have this first reaction, this reaction of the primary and the secondary alcohols with HCl. HCl के साथ जो reaction दिखाते हैं, primary 1 degree and 2 degree alcohols, which show 2 degree alcohols upon reaction with HCl. With HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride gives us alkyl chlorides are formed, but this method is called as the Gru's method. Gru's method के लिए है only it is the reaction of the alcohols with hydrogen chloride in presence of ZnCl2 called Gru's method. अब Gru's method है क्या? Formation of alkyl chlorides में alcohols they react with HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 zinc chloride. This is the first reaction where we have the cleavage of the CO bond and alkyl chlorides are formed. Now we have the second reaction of the alcohols where we have the cleavage of the CO bond, that is the reaction with PCl5 or PCl3. Second we have reaction with PCl5 or PCl3. Reaction with number second, that is reaction with PCl5 or PCl3. PCl5 के साथ भी रिएक्ट करा सकते हैं अल्कोहल्स को, या PCl3 where alkyl chlorides are formed. Alcohols upon reaction with PCl5 or PCl3 results the formation of alkyl chlorides. Suppose we have CH3OH, methanol is here, and we add PCl5 to it. It results the cleavage occurs here, and it results the formation of CH3Cl methyl chloride plus HCl plus POCl3. This alkyl chloride is formed. Similarly, if we add CH3OH and if we add PCl3 to it, it results the formation of CH3Cl plus H3PO3. Phosphorus studies formed and the alkyl chlorides are formed. This is the second reaction where we have the cleavage of the CO bond, that is reaction of the alcohols with PCl5 or PCl3 where alkyl chlorides are formed. Number third in this category is that's reaction with thionyl chloride. Reaction with number third is that's reaction with thionyl chloride. Reaction with SOCl2, that's called as thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. When thionyl chloride is added to alcohols, the alkyl chlorides are formed. Here again the alkyl chlorides are formed. When thionyl chloride is added to alcohols, alkyl chlorides are formed. Suppose we have CH3 methanol and we add thionyl chloride SOCl2. Here the cleavage occurs. एक Cl यहाँ आएगा, that is CH3Cl. दूसरा Cl H के साथ बाहर निकलेगा, HCl. So we have SO and O, that is SO2. These are some of the important reactions of alcohols where we have the cleavage of the CO bond. So we have the three types of reactions here. That's first reaction, that's reaction with halogen acids where alkyl halides are formed. Second one, we have the reaction with phosphorus pentachloride or phosphorus trichloride where alkyl chlorides are formed. Number third, that's reaction of the alcohols with thionyl chloride while alkyl chlorides are formed. Now we have the second one, that is the reactions which involve the whole alcohol molecule. इसमें हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे, that is dehydration reaction. Reaction of alcohols with which involve the whole alcohol molecule. Reaction of alcohols which involve the whole alcohol molecule. Number first इसमें है, that is dehydration. What do you mean by dehydration? Dehydration means loss of water. So these can be dehydrated to either alkenes or ethers. Number first, that is dehydration of alcohols to alkenes. कैसे होता है डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स टू अल्कीन्स? जब हम अल्कोहल्स को लेते हैं, ऐड करते हैं उनको, एक्सेस ऑफ H2SO4 which acts as a dehydrating agent and the alkenes are formed at a temperature of 433 to 443 degrees centigrade temperature. Suppose we have CH3CH2OH. We have the ethanol is there, ethanol, and जब हम इसको ऐड करते हैं H2SO4, excess of H2SO4 at a temperature of 433 to 443 Kelvin, we are getting here that is CH2 double bond CH2 plus water. That is dehydration of alcohols to alkenes take place. In presence of what? Here the H2SO4 it should be in excess. Now how this reaction takes place? So in the dehydration reaction we say that when excess of H2SO4 is added to alcohols, the alkenes are formed at a temperature of 433 to 443 Kelvin. So we have the mechanism of this reaction. How this reaction takes place? Mechanism है आपके syllabus में. Mechanism of dehydration of alcohols to alkenes. अब ये कैसे होता है, ये हम यहाँ पर दिखाएंगे कि कैसे होता है डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ alcohols to alkenes. Suppose we have the H2 mechanism. Mechanism में क्या है कि we have H2SO4. It's an acid. It gives me H positive plus HSO4 negative. Then we have the alcohol CH3CH2OH. मिथनॉल है हमारे पास. अब इथेनॉल है हमारे पास. इथेनॉल में जो ऑक्सीजन है it possesses the 2 lone pair of electrons and it get protonated. This lone pair of electrons it get protonated with H positive of the H2SO4 and it results the formation of CH3CH2 OH2O positive. This is called as oxonium. Ion is formed where we have a positive charge on the oxygen atom, oxonium ion or oxonium salt is formed. So this oxygen it possesses now positive charge. It cannot sustain its positive charge. So there is loss of water molecule. We have here CH3CH2O H2O positive. This oxygen atom it cannot sustain the positive charge, so there is loss of water. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया dehydration and it results the formation of a carbocation CH3CH2 positive carbocation. But आपको पता है कि carbocations जो होते हैं they are unstable and here we have the loss of H positive ion and then alkene is formed. We have here this CH, इसको भी ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं that is CH2 dash H dash CH2 positive. So it is CH2 positive. So there is the loss of H positive ion and here we have CH2 double bond CH2. The ethene is formed. This is the mechanism of dehydration of alcohols to alkenes. This is a reaction where when we add excess of H2SO4 to alcohols at a temperature of 433 to 443 Kelvin, where alkenes are formed. This is the mechanism of this reaction. Now we have the second important, that is the dehydration of alcohols to ethers. Dehydration of first one was dehydration of alcohols to alkene. Second one B जो है इसका B part, that is the dehydration of alcohols to ethers. In this reaction what is happening here is that when we add excess of alcohol, now here we are adding excess of alcohol. To the excess of alcohol we are adding the few drops of H2SO4 while ethers are formed. When H2SO4 is added to excess of alcohols, comma, ethers are formed. For example, we have CH3CH2OH and we add H2SO4 it in, so consider H2SO4 but in small amounts of few drops. This is in excess, alcohol is in excess and it results the formation of CH3CH2O CH2CH3. Here you have the twice plus water, that's loss of water is here. Now the mechanism of this reaction, how this reaction takes place. So we have the first we have the dehydration of alcohols to alkenes. Number second, that's the dehydration of alcohols to ethers. When H2SO4 is added to excess of alcohols, ethers are formed ethers are formed in presence of the few drops of H2SO4 which acts as a dehydrating agent. Now the mechanism of this reaction, how this reaction takes place, mechanism of dehydration of alcohols to ethers. मैकेनिज्म में क्या होता है कि mechanism, in the mechanism we have same here, we have H2SO4, it gives me H positive ion plus HSO4 negative. Now this H positive, it will protonate the alcohol molecule, we have CH3-CH2-OH. Oxygen per lone pair of electrons है, it will react with this H positive, donate its electron pair to H positive, and it results the formation of CH3. Same step here, OH positive. Now in the second step we are adding the excess of alcohol to it. Suppose we are going to add the second molecule, there is loss of water, but there is not immediate loss of water, there is the second addition of the ethanol molecule takes place. So we have CH3-CH2-OH. तो यहाँ पर क्या बनता है कि कार्बोकेटाइन इज नॉट isolated carbocation is not formed. This oxonium ion is formed, which is then attacked by the second alcohol molecule like this, and then there is loss of water, minus water यहाँ से निकलेगा बाहर. So we have CH3-CH2 ये. Now we have here oxygen, and it is at hydrogen positive is there, CH2 and CH3, and there is positive charge on the oxygen atom. So in order to nullify this positive charge, there is loss of H positive ion, and it results the formation of CH3-CH2-O-CH2-CH3. This is our ether, diethyl ether, and there is loss of H positive ion. That's the this catalyst H positive ion is regenerated. This is the mechanism of the dehydration of alcohols to ethers. So we have the reaction of the alcohols which involve chemical reaction which involve the whole alcohol molecule. इसमें आज हमने डिस्कस किया first important property, that is the dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration of alcohols to alkenes, either they are dehydrated to alkenes or they are dehydrated to ethers. Then we have the mechanism of these two, and in the next video lecture we are going to discuss the oxidation reactions of alcohols where we have the involvement of whole alcohol molecule. Thank you so much.